Hello, today Mrs. Kent is going to show you all the different ways that you can represent multiplication. But we're going to break it down one at a time because there are many ways we can show multiplication, represent multiplication. And represent is just a fancy way of showing. So, showing the different ways. Today I'm going to show you how to represent multiplication using set models. Now, you can see that I have a multiplication sentence. It has 3 times 5. And we use times a lot in our language. And I know that you've heard 3 times 5 and 3 times or 2 times 5, and there's all kinds. So don't really want you to think. I want you to start thinking of times as groups of. Because that's what multiplication is. It's equal groups of a set. So, for instance, if I have 3 groups of 5, I can show that using the set model. So, I'm going to make this circle 1 group, 2 groups, and 3 groups. Now, I've used a circle today, but you can use a square, you can use a triangle, just as long as you can show me what how many groups are in 3 times 5. So I've represented the 3 groups, and now I need to figure out how many I put in each group to show my picture. Well, here it is. It's 5. Now, I am going to draw 5 in each one. And notice it doesn't matter what they look like as long as there's 5 in each group. Notice too that they're equal groups. So there's 5 in this group, there's 5 in this group, and there's 5 in this group. Let's say I did this. This would not be this wouldn't represent multiplication. Why? Because it's not equal. There's 4, 5, and 5. That does not represent multiplication. So I'm going to go back and add my 1 here. So I have 5, 5, and 5, 3 groups of 5. Now I'm going to figure out my answer. So if I have 5, 5, and 5, well, I can just count by fives. I can go 5, 10, 15. I could count them by ones. I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 5, 10, 15. Counting by fives is very efficient. So I can show 3 times 5 equals 15. Remember, equal groups. The 3 represents how many sets you are going to have, and the 5 represents how many will be in each set. So I want you to use your online dice. I want you to cast your dice, and then I would like you to take that. So this would be 5 groups of 1, and you can show me what that represents. So I hope that you have fun with your whiteboard and that you are able to show me what 3 groups of 5 look like as a set model. Thank you.